The CrestWave 125W Recirculating pump ensures immediate access to hot water throughout your home thanks to its robust design and high-quality materials. Equipped with a powerful 125-watt motor, this pump operates efficiently within a voltage range of 110 to 120 volts, offering a maximum flow rate of 30 liters per minute. With its ability to handle fluid temperatures ranging from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, the pump performs reliably in a variety of environmental conditions. The dual control modes provide flexibility, allowing you to choose between automatic and manual operation to suit your specific needs and conserve energy. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, requiring just a wrench, and it comes with an additional adapter for added convenience. This pump is versatile and suitable for various applications, including residential and industrial uses, ensuring consistent water pressure and temperature.